Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So today I have like a very exciting video for you guys, and this is the first time I'm going to do like unboxing of this particular subscription box on my channel, and you already read the title. So yes, it's the Glamego box, and this is the box for the month of Jan. If you want to know what I got inside this box as well as everything about Glamego, then keep watching. Before I start with this video, I want to mention this to you guys that yes, this was sent to me for reviewing and to let you guys know about this thing, but in no way you guys know the thing, that in no way I'm going to be biased or anything, because as I say, out here we are 100% honest with each other. Let me tell you guys a little bit about Glamego. Glamego is an Indian beauty subscription box, and what makes us unique other than all the other boxes that are available right now in India, which is like great, because back when I started vlogging, we had limited number of Indian beauty boxes, like beauty subscription boxes, and that made me really sad, and now we have so many. The thing that makes Glamego stand out, apart from all the other boxes that are available right now, is that the price point is just for $2.99 for 6 months subscription and $3.99 for 1 month subscription, which I think is great because the product inside are for like 2,500 rupees. So if you're getting it for such a low price point, like you're getting to try so many products, then I think it's a really good idea. So I'm really impressed with the price point. The box for the month of January 2018 looks like, and it's called #NoResolutions, and it has these Wonder Women and everything. It has all of these resolutions which we usually make towards the beginning of the year, like listen to him, do not fall for brands, less Instagram. Oh my god. So yes, #NoResolutions this year, okay? Live your life. So yes, this is the theme of the box, and it's so cute. And as far as I've done my research, every month they have a different theme. So let's see what's in the box. I'm really excited because the box just came in this morning. It comes in a box like this, and I haven't really checked out what's inside, because I wanted to open it with you guys. I'm so excited. So this is how it is, and when you open the box, something fell off as usual, and there are, I think, 4 products. Yes. So these are the products, and the box is actually like this. It has a few straws inside it. Let me first read what this card says. So it says, thanks for making Glamego India's #1 beauty box. Wow, like seriously, congratulations on that. The price range that these guys have has to make them #1. And then it says like all the products, which I don't want to read right now because I really want to see what's inside. And then they have their Instagram, Facebook and YouTube like handles over here. When you open this, you see these things, and I can see 4 things out here. The first thing is by BioBloom, and let me tell you guys, I love BioBloom. I actually get to try BioBloom mainly because of all the subscription boxes, but I actually like BioBloom. I think one of their conditioner or something is my absolute favorite. So I'm really excited to see what is this. This is BioBloom Face Oil Age Defying Radiance Booster, 100% natural. Yeah, you're supposed to mix it with your day cream. So I'm really excited. Ooh, fancy packaging. So this is how the product looks like, and it's sealed. I'm going to review each of the products, I think, on my blog, so keep an eye on that because I'm really excited to try this. Like, it looks really nice. Second thing that I see is something familiar actually. This is from the brand again, Natural Bath and Body, and I've also tried the products from this brand. I have tried their I think body washes. I have tried this particular product. I have a bigger size lying somewhere, and I actually like this. This gives you a nice glow, as vitamin C and grapefruit. Vitamin C is your best friend for like that natural glow and beautiful skin. And my mom actually loves this one. She's using this one, the bigger size. So this is the cream. I have the face mask. I didn't realize. So this is a cream. So I'm really excited again for this one. Oh my god. Let me just have a look. Yeah, it says it's organic, 100% natural again. I'm really happy with the fact that there is no small sachet or something. You guys know I hate that. This one a very good quantity. Again, this one, like, it's a tube, so I can actually use the product rather than just using it from a sachet once and just being like, what was this? So yes, these are the first 2 products. Then I have 2 more left out here. This third product, and then this one actually looks aesthetically pleasing, like the colors and everything. So what is this? By the brand McCaffeine, and it's a caffeine shower gel with taurine and vitamin E, and it's a 50 ml one, and it says it's paraben free. So wow. It says what it does. Does says over here. No, it doesn't really says what this one does. but I'm really excited again. Like, you guys must be like, oh my gosh, she's overexcited, but I am actually, because I get really excited. Like, if you are a makeup lover like me or a skincare freak like me, you will understand that how excited you get when you see new products and you want to smell this. Like, it smells so good. Like, not like absolutely girly, but it's like a fresh sort of a very aquaish sort of a scent. This is like perfect to wake you up in the morning sort of a smell. Really excited. And then we have one more product left out here. And what is this? Okay, and then the box is empty, so I'm keeping it aside. Then I have Bella Voste. Oh, I have quite few stuff by this brand. I have this, which is a lip gloss, and it says it's formulated in Italy. 3.2 ml for 599 rupees. Smooth and creamy application, plumping and hydrating. Can be used over lipstick, mineral oil free. Wow, that's really good. Confirms US and European regulations, marine collagen and high shine pigments that keep your lips full and hydrated. Long lasting up to 6 hours. Color does not bleed on lips. Nano ingredients and talc free. Wow, that sounds so promising, man. Okay, this screams spring and summer to me. Look at the color, oh my god. And it looks a lot like, like Colourpop lipsticks, if I'm not wrong. Like, it looks like Colourpop lipsticks. I'll try it right now in front of you guys. What does it say about this particular? It says a 599 lip gloss, formulated in Italy, plump looking lips, perfect for winter. That's all it says about this out here. And let me tell you guys, gone are the days of matte lipsticks. I hate saying this because I personally love matte lipsticks, but at the same time I think the gloss trend is coming back, because all this plumping thing and everything, the gloss trend is actually coming back. It smells like chocolate. Not completely, but yeah. It's a doe foot applicator. You can see it out here. Apply this color for you guys. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so this is the color, and guys, oh my god, like, look at that. My lips are looking so good right now. Like, I genuinely mean it. And it is not like, that disgustingly sticky or something. You can see it's so comfortable to wear. It's like, applying a lip oil. Just say I'm in love with this lip gloss. It's such a pretty color. I wish you guys could feel the formula. It's amazing. I'll just swatch it on my hand as well for you guys. Yeah. Such a pretty color. Like, I get very happy, when I get a good lipstick or lip gloss. Yes, that's all about the January Glamego box. Let me know if you want to see another one next month, because the price range and the products, like, both are like impressing for me, and also the size of the products that they are sending in with. This is my new favorite beauty subscription box in India. I know it's a big thing to say, but I'm already like very happy with them. Can't wait for next month. So yes, that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful, and if it wasn't, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. It really helps you guys. So do hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also check out my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, my blog as well. I post a lot of things out there. So do check this all out. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till take care. I love you all. Bye bye.